Hello guys, after we already know how to draw the system of inequalities, now it's time for us to learn how to find the system of inequalities if the graph is given. There are several steps to do to find the system of inequalities. First is determine the equation of each line that bounds the solution sets of the region, and then take a point that lies within the solution sets region, and then substitute the point into the line equations, and then determine whether it is greater than or less than. Remember that when it is a straight line you have to put equal to, when it is a broken line you don't have to. Okay, let's try example question 1. Find the system of inequalities that represent the solutions region below. Okay, so first, the easiest way to determine the system of inequalities is to take a look at the horizontal and the vertical line. So we have a vertical line right here at x equals to 1. So the first one will be x, and then blah blah blah, and then 1. Yeah. Okay, and then for the second one, it will be this one. It's a horizontal line at y equals to 2, so y blah 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 2. We'll fill in the blah 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 later with less than or greater than. Yeah. Okay, so for the third one, the blue, I will choose 2 points. First is this one, which is 0,6, and the second is this one, 6,0. Okay, let's use the formula. First, you have to find the gradient. Let me write it first like this. Okay, so this one is x1 and y1, this one is x2 and y2. To find the gradient, you have to use the formula of y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Yeah, and then you only have to find it. Y2 equals to 0, y1 equals to 6 over x2 equals to 6, x1 equals to 0. So you have negative 1 as the result. So this is the gradient. And then the next step is to find the line. So y minus y1, y1 equals to 6, gradient equals to negative 1, x minus x1 equals to 0. So y minus 6 equals to negative x, y equals to negative x plus 6. There you go. And then we have to determine the sign later. So y blah 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 negative x plus 6. Okay, the idea is the solution sets will be all of the points inside the regions, right? So if you choose one point inside the regions, it has to be satisfied into these expressions. So how do you determine the less than or greater than? Let's choose, let's say, how about 2,3. 2,3 will be inside the region. So if I choose 2,3 and then I input it into the first expressions, I will have 2 blah 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 1. And we already know that 2 is greater than 1, so this one must be greater than 1. And because the line is a straight line, that means you have to put equal to into the inequalities. So this is how you determine the less than or greater than. Okay, let's use the same points. For this one, I will input the y equals to 3 blah 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 2. It's greater than, so this one is greater than also, but you don't have to put equal to because the line is broken. Next is this one, is the same, 2,3. You will just have to input it like this, and then 3 and 4. 3 is less than, that means this one is less than, and then we have to put equal to since the blue line is a straight line. So this is how you determine the inequality. So the final answer will be x greater than 1, y greater than 2, and then y less than or equal to negative x plus 6. Next is example question 2. For example question 2, I want to start from the vertical line vertical line at 1 and 4, and the region is in between of the 1 and 4 ya. So let's start from 1 and then 4 and then x. Because the region is in between of 1 and 4, it will be obvious that the x have to be in between 1 and 4 also, and the sign have to be like this, yeah. But because the 1 is a broken line, that means you don't have to put equal sign right here. For the x equals to 4, you have to put equal to because it's a straight line. So this is the vertical line, yeah. This is the easiest method to determine the less than or greater than. So you don't have to use the testing points before. Next is the horizontal line. For the horizontal line, it lies on y equals to 0, so I will write down y and then 0. And then as you can see, the region is above the line of y0. That means the sign will be greater than or equal to. Yeah, this is the shortcut to determine less than or greater than. But if you cannot understand this, you can use these methods also. Okay, next is the blue line. For the blue line, I will choose this point, which is 0, 0, and also 4,3. So I will write it first, 0, 0, 4,3 as the x1, y1, x2, and y2. First, find the gradient. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 equals to 3, y1 equals to 0. And then the x2 equals to 4, x1 equals to 0, so it's 3 over 4. And then after that, I have to use the formula of y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0, m is 3 over 4, x minus x1 is 0. So you will only have y equals to 3 over 4x. And then we only have to determine the less than or greater than. Let's choose a point on in the region. Let's say how about 3,1, yeah. So 3,1 will be inserted into the expression. So 1 blah 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 3 over 4 times 3. Okay, 1 blah 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 9 over 4. We already know that 1 is 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is less than 9 over 4, so this one is less than. Because it's a straight line, you have to put equal to. So the final answer is this one. Okay, that is the example questions 2. Next is additional materials that I will give it to you. This is the easiest way to draw. So in the previous lessons, I told you that when you want to shade the region, you have to use the testing point, right? If you can memorize this, you don't have to use this testing point, yeah. So for the vertical line, x equals to a, greater than means you have to shade to the right, to the left. Less than means you have to shade to the right side of the region. For the y equals to a, the horizontal line, greater than means shade the lower region. Less than means shade the upper region. This is because we use the unwanted region methods, yeah. So we have to shade to the opposite sides of the true meanings of greater than and less than. And then for this one, also the same. Greater than means shade the lower region. Less than means shade the upper region. But be careful for this one. The thing is the b or the coefficient in front of the y have to be always greater than 0 for these rules can be applied. Yeah, if the b is less than 0 or negative, that means you have to make it into positive first by multiply them all by negative numbers and negative 1. Yeah. Okay. Next is this one. You can use this reference to determine the system of inequality also. Yeah. So if the region is already given, you have to find the linear of inequalities. You can use this methods also. If the region is on the right hand side of the vertical line, that means it will be greater than. If the region is on the left hand side of the vertical line, that means less than. Yeah. If it is in between, it will be like this. Okay, you only have to memorize it like that. Okay. Yeah. This one, if it is above the line, that means greater than. If it is below the line, that means less than. Yeah. For this one, you have to be careful for the y. It's the same with the previous one. The b have to be greater than 0. This one also the same. Yeah, the coefficient of y have to be positive. It cannot be negative. Yeah, if it is negative, you have to multiply it by negative 1 first. Okay. So this is the materials in these chapters. We already finished the chapters. I hope that you can understand it well. If you cannot, just ask me. Yeah. Bye bye.